shoulders, my knees, my toes, my mouth, my hey, Charlie, what can you talk? You two they spy me. You know, that time we dey nursery, you know. Hey, you go na the madam no. Name me my nursery madam, he ask big. So me every day be I won't go school. So of the madam, if you know be the madam and me, I no go school. The way he ask big the things, you know. If they do, man, he read about us, I go stand the madam in back. They are just fighting. So me, if my mommy talk say I no go school, and I boss so of the madam no. That's what me I dey like. I go by the name flamboyant lifestyle, aka man can Charlie. I can't your screen top again because if I not can your screen top, I know bro where will come. If you mean no way I will come, they can't give you flesh, can't give you things where you want. If they go on, this be celebrity yawa. You know the celebrity yawa, they everything be away they go on. They be a person on social media be a. It be me flamboyant way I will can't talk you because nobody will can't talk you. Make sure say you go subscribe to the YouTube channel. You what? Too much GH. You not subscriber, you yourself you make yawa. Because things where they go on for social media, it be me flamboyant lifestyle where I will can't talk you. I can't explain things, show you. I can't give you all the things where you go on for the celebrating lifestyle inside there. You go see what they go on. So right now what happened is we all know this guy, Kelvin Boy. Kelvin Boy drives old Range Rover to Famia's album launch. Aye, you know be easy. Charlie, you know say Famia recently, Famia can release an album, Greater Than. You see in this one in photo cover and then you say they beat and things. Now you go there now, you know say we celebrity our day, we everywhere there we day, everywhere be every day. Social media 24/7. Anything there we go on. Remember Becca Munzo mi magana de shikama celebrity na muna follow nsu. Kaga ni abina ya zo no munzo imu fira de simu magana de ku. Because anything there we go happen, we go come there can't talk. We see na you know your man Kelvin Boy, you bring Range Rover. The Range Rover anyway you bring them no. Sana people know I'm saying they drive that car a long time. You go customize another one for the number plate top. They say the Range Rover will be 2015 model where your man go buy. You register like 2 times. Hey! You register 2015, register when 2019, you go 2022, you go register another way. So you Kevin Boy, when the pressure away they won't give boys. When the pressure away won't give your fans then things. They say you go sell in cars. You go sell in cars, you go sell in houses, then go buy Range Rover. They say they eat for the Range Rover inside, they buy for inside they do everything. I say, Charlie, this thing there, be yawa big time. You Kevin Boy, make I talk you something. Charlie, this pressure, what is the way they take go? We be your music, we they enjoy your lifestyle there. You be your own thing. Why they want drive Range Rover then things? Then people go see say things they go on then things give you. Things go on give you then things. But be real, what do you feel afford? No, afford then things because right now you say the Range Rover where you take go from here and born lunch. And you say right now you can't talk because you go figure say people don't know, people don't monitor you, people they spy you everywhere you dey be. You go figure say people know they monitor people they laugh plus so people they plus you then they see everything where you go. When you know say celebrity hour they me flambo, you come there and no talk there, no bro what go talk. If you mean now go talk. But Sunday na you know say another hour to come pass inside. This thing tell like be yawa, this thing tell like be funny, this thing it tell like if it's something where I mean I don't know how I go talk. I make I talk you. I know say your ears they eat you, your ears they eat you. Why they spam me? You don't want make I talk then you laugh. If it's something you fall laugh. Raskuku dislocated his arms at Shatawale and Stoneboy's Assassin Sounds Clash. You know say over the weekend no, Stoneboy then Shatawale no they go Assassin Sounds Clash where like then they perform, they do back to back, they perform them his songs where he then things. You know say they can't start the program no, then get people where they go start. If you Raskuku then Kwame Leon when they go start. So they start, then they go head to head. They say they rather that before Shatawale, the Stoneboy will come, they can perform, can do the matin. Then come no Raskuku, they do Kwame Leon to they do you. We see na Raskuku in hand no. You come out, Raskuku know the few old mic. The way they do is it no be easy. Make the way they do itself, you know be easy. The way they jump for the state top, the way they do na you go pay inside. Where fans they talk say, Charlie, you be your music way we they listen you. You know be the way they jump them things like rat way, like trap babam way, you know they feel come out no. You see right now the thing where you go do, the way they jump them things no. They say you fall down, Raskuku they cry. Oh, they say the way they cry that oh Charlie get to you president power if you guys your eye like you get hard high no. You see the way you go do. You see the way you go do. So then you manage no Charlie say Raskuku they cry too much now. You manage no take and go Rage Hospital. You know, and I want Rage Hospital for Accra. Yeah, then take and go no at the spot now. They go do scans and things where everything they go on. So this, it's like this morning, King Lagazi, he did hit FM, he did cry here. Where they talk him for phone, Tomo go spy the video.
Exactly is wrong with Raskuku right now? How is his situation pertaining to what happened to him, last night at the Assassin Sound Clash?
Yeah, really, thanks for we give thanks anyway. Yeah, I rushed him to Rich Hospital, and he was admitted at emergency ward, and we had about 4 scans. Yeah, and later they tried to fix the hands, but it was really difficult for them to fix it. So they did their best though, but it's temporary. So tomorrow we need to visit the hospital back and schedule for surgery.
So after the X-ray and all that, how exactly was the hand? I don't know. Did it kind of break, or I don't know, or twisted, or what? Dislocated.
Exactly. Yeah, the arms, shifted about 2 inches. And I have the X-ray with me. I think I was happy a copy of the X-ray.
Yeah. But I for clarity's sake, and for the people listening to us, so that they will know what exactly is happening with the Ghetto Youth President. He just picked up an award. Oh, Ghana, please, we beg you. Hey?
You see what King Lagazi talk? They talk say right now the way Raskuku they pass through pains inside the lady. Be easy crowd the way they pass through pains. So right now what they for do surgery. The surgery we go do before the youth the Ghana youth then they watch am say make it come, because if you no come there, Charlie, if you yawa, say recently you get an award, where the award and you go find and forget to. You say you forget, you good picture, you forget say you win award, where you go left hand for them. We use the Raskuku Charlie, all the same words. We wish you speedy recovery. You come to make you no can jump like fish where they fish pond inside where you see bread or you see food for what? For water inside where they go take. Right now you see where they say the way they cry, the way things they go give you, the way they give you cocoa, they say they saw, they give them tea, I say no go saw. Me flambo, and Ghanaians to the talk say they know what they give them, you go like. Me now me too, I know. You don't want the what? The healing thing, Then give her that healing thing there. The way you go tell them, doctor say, doctor, make you not do any surgery. I make okay then things. I make okay, make I go there, make I go do what? Man thing. I don't say you now is fine, everything go on give you. Tell you all if you do be say information say God will be the key for your life inside. That's what I talk you. Stay focused, stay relevant, then consistency. Everything will go on give you. Make you not make anyone discourage you for what you really want for your life. Flamboyant be my name. That's what I want flow you want.
Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo, we betun afem the great ampo mbrembren. Won me nka mo ni hwe too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.